The eLifecenter Emotor 15 floor scrubber uses a compact 15-inch brush that reaches right up to edges and corners, so you can clean tight spaces that larger machines often miss. Its dedicated suction and brush motors work with a wide squeegee to leave hard floors nearly dry in a single pass, which is reassuring in busy areas where slips are a concern. The sealed lead-acid battery system delivers several hours of continuous runtime, making it well-suited for long cleaning routes in warehouses, schools, or retail spaces without constant recharging. Generous clean and recovery tank capacities mean you can cover a lot of floor before stopping, reducing interruptions to empty or refill during a shift. Despite being a robust commercial machine, the foldable walk-behind design and moderate weight make it practical for two people to lift into a vehicle and move between job sites. The durable molded housing resists wear and dust, and the controls are straightforward enough that most staff can learn to operate it quickly without formal training.